Hey there YouTube, wanted to make a new video today. Got a package in the mail I've been waiting for a couple days now. Really excited it's here. Inside is a tool that I've been looking for on eBay and Craigslist for quite a while. I've seen them out there, but they usually go for way too much money. I finally got a really good deal on one, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up and share it with you guys. Alright, this guy packed it pretty well. Got this on eBay, by the way. And it looks like he shipped it in a few parts. Quite a few parts. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, good. It'll lay nice and flat. Don't have to worry about it breaking. Nothing else in there. Got all these chips so my cats don't eat them. Alright, so here's our first package. Or part, whatever. This guy did not mess around. That's fine. Here's the first part. And you guys can kind of figure out what that is. Probably not. Alright. Second one. This will probably be a bigger hint. Any guesses yet? No? Alright, now for the main part. Oh yeah, there we go. A hand drill. Alright, let's put this baby together really quick. Alright, there we go. Okay, so this is an Eggbeater Drill. I'm sure a lot of people who've seen some of my other videos are probably familiar with that. This particular one is, let's see, I can't remember off the top of my head, a Yankee number 1545 continuous motion hand drill. Now what makes this drill so special as opposed to the other one that I have showed is these little guys right here. When you have this style of gearing, it's called a continuous motion drill. These are much harder to come by and to find than your typical Eggbeater drill, which they're a dime a dozen. They're probably $20 for the big ones. Alright, so I wanted to show a close-up of this drill. The shot I had before didn't really do the mechanism on this thing justice. So as we spin it, and we got all kinds of neat stuff going on here, just everything's going everywhere. And this is one of the reasons why I like this tool so much. For its simplicity, it's also a very complicated tool. There are a lot of amazing features built into this tool that you just don't see in your everyday run-of-the-mill Eggbeater drills. Now, the first thing really kind of neat about this drill is it does have a 2-speed setting. And it's accomplished by just flicking this little selector switch. Now, this is kind of hard to demonstrate, but right now this drill is in high speed. So if I turn this drill like this, like so, this kind of matches the speed that this drill is going, the handle versus the chuck up here. Now if I turn this, you can kind of see that the handle is moving independently much faster than the drill column. So high speed, low speed. So that's one really neat feature about this drill. Now the other neat feature is right here, this ratchet in the middle. This is just like the Yankee screwdrivers that obviously was also made by this company. And you have lots of different options here on this ratchet. Hopefully this will show well on the camera. We have plain, left hand ratchet, right hand double, and lock. So right now we're on the plain setting. The plain setting just allows us to move back and forth with just everything moving. So now I'm going to put it in left hand ratchet, and this is where this drill kind of really starts to shine. I mean, without me holding the column, the ratchet works independently. It's a very smooth tool. It's an amazing piece of machinery. Alright, so next is the right hand ratchet. Or right hand, it says. That's basically just the ratchet in the opposite direction. Now this next feature is what really kind of sets this apart from your other Eggbeater drills. This is where the continuous motion feature comes into place. So we select the continuous motion setting, and now, as you can hear, the ratchet is working in both directions. So if you were drilling a hole, let's say, you can just, as you can see, no matter which way I move the handle, the drill is also moving. Oops, this is getting really tight for some reason. As you can see, it's moving to the right no matter what I do. So you won't see that feature anywhere else. So that's what makes this tool really neat. And now your final setting is your lock setting. This allows you to clamp down on your drill bits without fear of the tool moving. And now this will lock both directions. As you can see, it won't move. Now also, this is the first Eggbeater style drill I have that actually has a bit designed for modern flute drills. Most of the other ones you're going to find are for auger bits, which look like this. A little bit different end there, as you can see. Yeah, so amazing little piece of machinery. Now, if you want to see a better demo of how this drill works, I would recommend heading over to Jason Stamper's webpage. He actually does a drilling and driving demo on a screw on a piece of wood. Really neat thing to watch. I have seen these go for up to $150. I got lucky, I got this for $65. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.